And for this video, we're going to be taking a look at a iPhone app kind of overview, which is called the Fire 2 Field Recorder by Audiophile Engineering. And the keyword here is audio field recorder, and I'm going to kind of explain what it is. It looks something like this, and it's a standalone device. It's basically a tape recorder that does an all-digital recording, often in high quality, as high as 96 kilohertz sampling rate at 24-bit audio, which is considered professional audio. And often people use it for if they're a videographer using a DSLR or even a camcorder, is an option to use audio. And some will even claim that some of the pros say this app wouldn't be useful for them because it's not high quality enough, not enough options, and so forth. But I say hoo-ha and all that, because an expensive field recorder ain't going to be great if either if you forget to bring it with you, you run out of batteries, it doesn't work. So it's great to have a backup, and this iPhone app is one way you can use it. Actually, there's some other types of audio recording devices specifically for field recordings, and it can be as high as $30 and don't have very many options like this software does. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it, and let me go ahead and turn on my iPad to make sure we're going to get some video coming in. And we're going to go ahead and go to the Fire 2 right here. We're going to go ahead and expand it out. Unfortunately, it does it only this way. And this is the main screen, what it looks like once you first start it up. Now, before I go into the actual audio recording, the upper left hand side, you click on that. It's got one of the best app manuals I've ever seen, and it tells you nearly anything you need to know about using it. And we'll even open up the quick start guide to show you guys. And so it's very easy to get set up right away. I don't have to really bring any documentation on how to use it. Okay, so if you're going to actually go to a regular recording, you're going to push on the blue arrow next to the recording 1, and it brings up, I think, a transport, just like this right here. And if you also notice, you got a well, it's like a play record button and a slider. Now the slider's there so as not to inadvertently press and depress the record button. So you got to slide that first to record, and we're going to see if we can get this thing working for you guys. This is a test of the Fire 2 Field Recorder, and there we go. There's the first recording. Now, I don't know if this is, you're going to hear this through the Wirecast or not, but I'll try to play it. Just like so. And then once you do your recording, you can actually go in here, and you can use record this in many different formats: AAC, podcast, Apple Lossless, FLAC, and OGG Vorbis. I forgot the base file format it uses, and then you can create one of these 5. And it's actually also, once you do your recording, you can add effects, even do some basic audio editing, add compression. Even though I just prefer making the base recording and then doing it physically on a desktop, kind of what I prefer. And there's many ways you can share this once you do your audio recording. And of course, they got something called SoundCloud. I guess this is the cloud-based service. And of course, Dropbox is another way to do it as well. And now, I'm not sure what iDictate or QuickTate, those are some other services as well. And of course, one of the easy ways of doing it is the iTunes sharing. Once you have it connected to your computer, and then you can send to iTunes and obviously create one of the 5 formats as well. Okay, I guess it does it. The base code is AIFF right there. And okay, that's just your basic rundown of Fire 2 Field Recorder.